everyone, welcome back. This is my first project for Kitaholic kits for the month of September, and this is going to be a mixed media heavy layout because we got some amazing goodies in the mixed media add-on kit this month. One of them being the Vicky Bouton paint pens, and they were amazing. So I'm actually doing this on the Vicky Bouton mixed media paper, and I am just like mapping out generally where my photos are going to go, and then I'm going to start doing some painting. I do apologise for my wet hair as I peek into the frame here and there. I'd hopped out of the shower and baby was asleep, and so I thought I would jump in real quick and start doing some crafting. So anyway, I'm just using the deeper blue, the more turquoisey blue, and the pink to create a splattery sort of layout. And I'm actually using a makeup brush. I got like a cheapy makeup brush off Amazon, and I like the sort of effect it gives, so that's why I'm doing that, adding a little bit of splatters and then letting that dry. I also felt like I needed a bit of something down here, which is why I added that with a paintbrush. Now I'm going in just with some texture paste, adding a few little dimensional elements with using this. I think this was from a kit that we got last year actually. And then I'm using, like I said, there was a lot of mixed media stuff in this kit, so I'm going in with the stamp set, which had lovely background stamps, and I chose 3 colours that sort of matched. The Distress Oxide actually really didn't match, so I didn't use that much, but I just added some added some colours that matched, and I just went a bit nuts. And now onto my photo, which is really the easy part. While that was drying, I'm just matting my photo. So I decided to do this fairly large photo of my parents and Emma next to the river. It was Emma's first time in Mandurah, which is near us, going for a bike ride along the river without her training wheels on her bike, and so I really wanted to document that. I love this packaging that we got, and so I thought I would incorporate that into the layout as well, because I love the pink polka dots, and that was a nice way to bring the pink up to the top of the layout versus just it being down the bottom, especially because down the track I apologise, down the track you'll see that I actually there's a photo of Emma eating chocolate that is very pink because she's wearing pink, so I wanted to really make it poppy and pink, and that's why I'm using the equivalent of that checker paper, the pink one that we got in the kit, to map that photo onto. And then the last photo that I'm adding is just Emma and my mum riding the bike, and that one I'm not matting on anything because that has got a nice little white border. I'm putting them all on some very thin chipboard. Say that 5 times fast. And I just to secure them a little bit because the backing paper was very wobbly, and also because of that texture paste, I just didn't really want to risk the photos buckling. So I'm just using this little acetate piece for my stash, and then I'm going to add some journaling a little bit later. First of all, I am just creating like a few little flower clusters. I loved the florals, the Civil Stories florals that we got in the kit this month, and I honestly used all of it. So you'll see in my last layout this month, it's actually very much like paper heavy. There's not much in, I don't know what happened there. It's very paper heavy. There's not much florals because I literally used all of the florals in my first 3 layouts. So I'm just taking this label, which was from a very old kit that we got. I believe it might have been a Coco Vanilla Studios label, but I think I've had it for a number of years now. So I'm adding my journaling on first because I'm going to back it up on some thin chipboard, and then I'm just tucking that under my title like so. I realize at this point that I haven't actually glued down some of the flowers, so I'm going to do that in a second. And I'm adding a little gold border because I'm obsessed with this pen. That happens a lot to me where I become just like focused on like one product and I use it on every single layout, and then I forget about it. I realize I haven't used my like little glitter stickles for a while. Anyway, that's it for me. Bye.